How to reroute your pieces in chess. Take a look at this typical chess position. The first thing you should ask yourself is, what is your problem piece? In this case, I think it is the g3 knight. All the squares it is looking at are very well defended, and because that, it is not doing very much. So once you have found your problem piece, the next thing you want to ask yourself is, where do you want the piece to go instead? In this case, I would want to be the d6 square. It is very centralized, it is very deep in black's camp, and it is defended by a pawn. So now that you have found your problem piece and where you want the piece to go, you have to do something called charting a path, which is essentially connecting them. So d6, how do you get to there? Let's say c4. Well, how do we get to there? Let's say e2. Well, how do we get to there? Let's say f1. Well, how do we get to there? Oh, look, the knight can hop there. And you can simply continue with the reroute. Black cannot do very much, and after you get your knight to d6, you are not winning here, but you do have a very powerful knight that will cause black problems for the rest of the game.